मैं इतने साल कभी मेरे टाइम पे तो ये कुछ भी नहीं था वो रिकॉर्डिंग है बट स्टिल बिकॉज रिकॉर्डिंग्स कैन गो सीडीज में ब्रेक बट
मेंटेन करके रखेंगे सर,
okay
मेंटेन करके
so this is
रखेंगे।
your dynamics, this is your passive body, okay, these are your active body, fame, gravity, ये सब दे दो पहले तो इसको सेटल हो जाने दो।
सॉल्वर्स में
just give 500 frames, stop, solvers, initial state, set for all dynamics, okay done। तो इधर से अब इसको कहाँ जाना है, z में जाना है और करना है z में कुछ 10 -10 देखेंगे वो ज़्यादा स्पीड दे तो भी वो ऊपर नीचे हो जाता, थोड़ा एंगल में देना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा रोटेशन देना पड़ेगा, so it has to go in minus direction, minus -5 or something, so that or else it can hit this side, so let me put 5 so that it will hit this side, maybe 8, उधर जाना ही है जाना है इसको 10 more that's 15 अच्छा 600 okay we'll do, so it will rolling, okay, so it will go on to the path, so this is okay. Now what I have to do is hinge constraints I have to apply, that's all. Select this, say hinge constraint, if I see press 4 means from where your rotation should start it will define. Now it is handle is this side, so it will rotate like this, like a y direction, so rotate this properly. So which direction you want to rotate, tell me. Yes, this direction means it will rotate 90 degrees, you minus 90, so it will rotate round now. Now see how it will react, we will see automatically, so whenever it goes, understood na, from the middle it is rotating.
like a ping pong
Ping pong, same thing if I can do for this also, so it's rotating. Dynamics is something like that only, you can do many things. Okay, for this also you just say hinge constraint, automatically you can see it is placed there, so it is not properly placed according to your rotation. अभी कैसा ऐसा rotate होगा ये, ऐसा नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा ऐसा rotate होना है, तो once again same thing you have to do, make it straight, so 90 degrees उधर enter कर लो बस. So once again you say 5, press 5, so if it touches it will start rotating.
it will be a little more force, sir.
We'll arrange it, first of all let them arrange, like that you can just select hinge, because you know you have to rotate rotate x here na? Yes, 90, you go on entering for each and every mode. G you say, then 90 you say, G you say, hinge constraint 90 you say. So literally you created your pinball. Afterwards you want to put a glass also you can put, and it make it a passive body, normals inside, so बाहर भी नहीं आएगा वो.
Ball of force.
You can just create a box.
Make it little transparent, sir.
Yes, I know that.
I'm not telling, sir, just told, sir.
Told, just told. Okay, what? So थोड़ा penetration avoid करो. It will be better. Just put some transparency there. So works like your indentation background, wherever it touches.
सर उसको थोड़ा स्केल करो ना सर, मुझे एक बार भी टच आके.
So now thing is, if I start bending this, simulation will be little bit different. Okay, so what I'll do is select everything and say Control G, group, bend it a little bit like this, so your simulation changes, because your ball will automatically come because of the gravity down only. क्या कर रहे हैं, आते आते सबको हिलाते आ रहा है.
Sir, force ही नहीं, दम ही नहीं है उसमें.
रोटेट करें तो भी डायरेक्शन
उसका फोर्स बढ़ाते जाओ आपको कुछ और ही रिजल्ट है 50 if I say
Now we are talking. Total
20 you say according to that, so it will push it in more force like pinball only it is working na almost.
Yeah,
It will push once again it will come. It's like that.
जब वो दोनों पिन
फिर आके सेटल हो जाएगा.
नीचे का है ना
Let me remove this, what happens we'll see. So maybe it will react with say huh? It's rotating like that huh? Hinge constraint will work.
उसको रबर बॉल ऑप्शन दे दो सर ऑब्जेक्ट के बाहर बाहर
See, and it will also react, everything will react with each another.
सर वो मशीन से रहना था नट्स
वो व्हील भी बना सकते हैं, हर चीज़ बना सकते हैं. It's up to you how you can.
मशीन का